See something you want to buy in Japan but nervous about asking the price? Not anymore. Let's go shopping. Hey friend, welcome back to Easy Japanese Talk. I'm Mia, and with me,
Hiro です。皆さん、こんにちは。
Hiro! Okay, imagine we just walked into a clothing store in Shibuya. What's the first thing we're going to hear?
いらっしゃいませ。いらっしゃいませ。
Irasshaimase, welcome! Just like at restaurants. You don't need to respond, just smile or nod. If you're new here, welcome! We make Japanese fun and practical. And if you've been following along, you just learned how to order at restaurants in episode 7. Today, we're shopping. If you missed the earlier episodes, check out our beginner basics playlist after this. All right, Hiro, we're in the store, browsing around, but I see a shirt I really like. The most important question when shopping, how do I ask, how much is this?
これ、いくらですか？これ、いくらですか？
これ、いくらですか? How much is this? We learned いくらですか back in episode 4 with numbers, and これ is this from episode 6. So literally, this, how much?
これ、いくらですか？
Perfect! Or more politely,
これはいくらですか？これはいくらですか？
これはいくらですか? Adding wa makes it more proper. Either way works perfectly. Now, they'll tell you the price using numbers plus yen. Let's practice some prices. 1,000 yen.
1000円。1000円。
1000 yen. 1,000 yen. 2,000 yen.
2000円。2000円。
2,000 yen. 3,000 yen.
3000円。3000円。
3,000 yen. Notice it's zen, not sen for 3,000. 5,000 yen.
5000円。5000円。
5,000 yen. In real shops, prices are usually displayed so you can see them, but it's still great to be able to ask. Now, the staff might come up to you and ask if you need help. They'll say,
何かお探しですか？何かお探しですか？
何かお探しですか? Are you looking for something? 何か means something. Now, if you're just browsing, you can say,
見てるだけです。見てるだけです。
見てるだけです. Just looking. Say it slowly. 見てるだけです. 見てる is looking. だけ means just or only.
見てるだけです。
Perfect. But what if you are looking for something specific? You say, I'm looking for, which is
を探しています。を探しています。
を探しています. I'm looking for. You put the item before it. For example, looking for a shirt.
シャツを探しています。シャツを探しています。
シャツを探しています. I'm looking for a shirt. Looking for shoes?
靴を探しています。靴を探しています。
靴を探しています. 靴 is shoes. Looking for a bag?
バッグを探しています。バッグを探しています。
バッグを探しています. Bag. See the pattern? Let's practice a shop entrance. I'm the staff. Hiro just walked in. Ready? いらっしゃいませ. Welcome.
こんにちは。
こんにちは. 何かお探しですか? Looking for something?
はい、シャツを探しています。
はい、シャツを探しています. Yes, looking for a shirt. Oh, we have many. This way. How about this one?
いいですね。これいくらですか？
いいですね. これいくらですか? Nice. How much is this? That's 3,000 yen.
ありがとうございます。
Perfect. See how smooth that was? You just navigated a Japanese store. Now, what if you want to know if something's on sale? Sale or discount is
セール、セール、or 割引、割引。
セール or 割引. You can ask セールですか? Sale ですか? Or 割引はありますか? 割引はありますか? Is there a discount? ありますか? Do you have? From episode 7. All right, you're finding great stuff and asking prices like a pro. Now, before we learn about sizes and trying things on, if you're enjoying these practical lessons, hit that subscribe button. We're helping you travel through Japan with confidence.
Subscribe, yes!
Now, let's learn how to find your size. Okay, you found something you like, but you need to check the size. How do you ask, what size is this?
これは何サイズですか？これは何サイズですか？
これは何サイズですか? What size is this? Nan is what, size is size. Easy. Now the sizes. Small is
S、S、
S, small. Medium,
M、M、
M, medium. Large,
L、L、
L, L, just like English with Japanese pronunciation. Extra large,
XL、XL、
XL, XL. Now, if you want to ask, do you have this in medium, you say,
これの M はありますか？これの M はありますか？
これの M はありますか? Do you have this in M? これの means this one's. So this one's M. Do you have? What about colors? The word for color is
色、色、
色, color. To ask, do you have this in a different color?
違う色はありますか？違う色はありますか？
違う色はありますか? 違う means different. Let's learn basic colors. Black is
黒、黒、
黒. White is
白、白、
白. Red is
赤、赤、
赤. Blue is
青、青。
ao. And for other colors, Japanese often uses English. Pink, yellow, green, just say them with Japanese pronunciation. So to ask, do you have this in black?
黒はありますか？黒はありますか？
黒はありますか? Do you have black? Easy. White?
白はありますか？白はありますか？
白はありますか? Perfect. Now the big one. You want to try something on. How do you ask?
試着できますか？試着できますか？
試着できますか? Can I try this on? Say it slowly. 試着できますか? 試着 is trying on clothes. できますか is can I?
試着できますか？
Perfect. The staff will usually say,
はい、どうぞ。はい、どうぞ。
はい、どうぞ. Yes, please go ahead. どうぞ means please or go ahead. They'll show you to the fitting room, shichakushitsu. Here's something cultural. In Japan, you usually take your shoes off before entering a fitting room. There's a little step and you step up without shoes. There are usually slippers or you just go in socks.
No shoes. Keep clean.
Exactly. Keeps the fitting room clean. Now you try something on and it fits perfectly. How do you say, this fits well?
ぴったりです。ぴったりです。
ぴったりです. Perfect fit. ぴったり means perfect fit. But if it's too small,
小さいです。小さいです。
小さいです. It's small. Too big,
大きいです。大きいです。
大きいです. It's big. 小さいです is small. 大きいです is big. Now let's practice a fitting room scenario. I'm the staff. Hiro wants to try something on. Ready? Can I help you?
すみません。試着できますか？
すみません。試着できますか? Excuse me, can I try this on? Of course, this way. Please take off your shoes. How is it?
ちょっと大きいです。
It's a bit big. ちょっと means a little. Let me get you a smaller size.
ありがとうございます。
Here, try this one. How about now?
ぴったりです。
ぴったりです. Perfect fit. Great. Excellent. Now, what if you decide you want to buy it? You say,
これください。これください。
これください. I'll take this. Or more politely,
これをください。これをください。
これをください. I'll take this, please. And if you decide you don't want it after trying it on, you say,
大丈夫です。ありがとうございます。
大丈夫です。ありがとうございます. I'm okay, thank you. 大丈夫 means okay or I'm fine. Polite way to decline. Now, let's learn how to actually pay. All right, you've decided to buy something. You go to the register. The cashier will confirm what you're buying.
こちらでよろしいですかこちらでよろしいですか
こちらでよろしいですか? Is this everything? Just say,
はい、はい、
Hi, yes. Then they'll tell you the total.
3000円です。3000円です。
3000 yen です. 3,000 yen. Now you can ask about payment.
カードは使えますかカードは使えますか
カードは使えますか? Can I use a card? From episode 7, most places now take cards, but some small shops are cash only. Here's something tourists should know. Tax-free shopping. If you're a tourist and spend over a certain amount, usually 5,000 yen, you can get tax-free. The word is
免税、免税。
menze, tax-free. You can ask,
免税できますか免税できますか
menze dekimasu ka? Can I get tax-free? You'll need your passport. They'll say,
パスポートを見せてください。パスポートを見せてください。
passportを見せてください. Please show me your passport. 見せてください means please show me. After you pay, they'll bag your items and say,
ありがとうございました。ありがとうございました。
ありがとうございました. Thank you very much. You respond,
ありがとうございます。ありがとうございます。
ありがとうございます. Thank you. And you're done. All right, let's do one complete shopping experience from start to finish. Everything we learned today. I'm the shop staff. Hiro is the customer. Full journey. Ready? Irasshaimase. Welcome.
こんにちは。シャツを探しています。
こんにちは。シャツを探しています. Hello. I'm looking for a shirt. Sure, right this way. How about this one?
いいですね。これいくらですか
いいですね。これいくらですか? Nice. How much? That's 4,000 yen.
違う色はありますか
違う色はありますか? Different color? Yes, we have black and white.
黒をください。試着できますか
黒をください。試着できますか? Black, please. Can I try it on? Of course. This way. How is it?
ぴったりです。これをください。
ぴったりです。これをください. Perfect fit. I'll take it. Great. To the register. That's 4,000 yen.
カードは使えますか
カードは使えますか? Can I use card? Yes, of course.
ありがとうございます。
Here's your bag. ありがとうございました.
ありがとうございました。
Perfect. Complete shopping trip in Japanese from start to finish.
できた !You did it!
You really did. Let's review. How much? いくらですか? I'm looking for. Item を探しています. Just looking. 見てるだけです. Can I try this on? 試着できますか? Do you have size M? これの M はありますか? Different color? 違う色はありますか? I'll take this. これをください. Too big. 大きいです. Too small. 小さいです. Perfect fit. ぴったりです.
Perfect.
You're ready to shop in Japan confidently. Challenge time! Next time you go shopping anywhere, practice these phrases in your head. Say, これいくらですか? When you see something. Say, 試着できますか? Before a fitting room. Make it real.
いい練習 Good practice.
The best. And think about this. 8 episodes in. Greetings, introductions, responses, numbers, family, food, restaurants, and shopping. You're building real-world Japanese skills. If this episode helped you feel confident about shopping, hit that thumbs up. It helps other learners discover us.
お願いします Please.
And tell me, what's the first thing you'd want to shop for in Japan? Clothes, electronics, souvenirs, snacks? Drop it in the comments. I love hearing what excites you. Next time, episode 9, we're learning about time. Hours, minutes, asking what time it is, making schedules. You'll use this every single day.
時間 Time Next episode.
Can't wait! And we're creating a downloadable shopping phrase sheet with all today's vocabulary. If there's anything else you'd like, let us know. You crushed it today. Shopping in a foreign language is a big deal, and you just learned how to do it like a pro. Amazing work.
またね、皆さん。
じゃあね。